Our biggest video promoting our app came from a forgotten Facebook page that I didn't even know existed. It got 1.26 million views, but it produced exactly 10 link clicks. 10 clicks, that's all. It's probably 5 installs, no trials, no subscribers. For 1.26 million views. 2 weeks later, with another video that had a third of the reach, but it got 383 clicks, which generated almost 250 installs, which generated trials, which generated revenue just from one single video. This video is about the gap between the two and how do you make sure that you get that. This was not planned. We didn't build a strategy, and I'll tell you exactly how we did this. So let me backtrack a little bit. Here's a bit of a story. In June, I was in Miami, and then in July, I was in South Beach, and I'm running on the beach in the morning, and suddenly the installs start spiking, and I notice revenue cat notifications going off the charts. You know when you get a start a new trial notification in revenue cat, and it just goes ding, 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 and it's spiking hard, and I didn't understand what was happening, and I'm freaking out because something is clearly working really well, but I don't know what. And I check our Instagram, and I'm like, what's happening? Because Instagram has been slowly growing. We just launched the app a month before. We just opened the Instagram account. It is slowly growing, but nothing huge, and I couldn't figure out. And then I saw it. I forgot that when we opened Instagram, we also opened a Facebook page. There was no strategy. We didn't do anything for it, but we automatically reposted every single video from Instagram to Facebook page. There's just a toggle, automatic repost, no differentiation, no nothing, just exactly the same video reposting to Facebook. Our strategy was to do one carousel, one green screen reel for the main page on Instagram, and 2 to 4 trial reels. These 2 to 4 trial reels would automatically repost to Facebook page live, to their live Facebook page. And these ones went viral. They went bonkers. Let me show you exactly what happened. So this is our Facebook page. And as you can see, it was doing absolutely nothing. And just about the beginning of July, with a huge spike, and suddenly we had 8,988 followers. Now this is where I get that spike in traffic, and I was trying to figure out what is happening. And it turns out the Facebook videos were going viral. But the real magic for the app came at this point. This is where we started to get a lot of actual installs. The original spike was great, but the real value came in here. So like you see, the page was doing nothing, and we spiked hard because we were reposting. And it's the magic because of the trial reels that are being posted to Facebook. Now we're sitting at 44,000 followers on Facebook, out of all places, which is insane for me to think about because I didn't even consider Facebook to be an advertising channel. But it turns out, and I didn't know this is what I learned, so I'm sharing it with you, turns out that the algorithm on Facebook is much closer to TikTok. Because on Instagram, your content is mostly just displayed to people on Instagram that are following you. So it's very limited to the small group. And so if you're posting on your page, you're not really getting many views. It grows over time as you grow your audience. But on Facebook, apparently, we've been blasting to our audience all of the content, and it gets displayed way beyond your followers. And so these followers came in result. We got the views first, and these followers came in result. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what we did exactly, what kind of videos we posted, and I'll share everything with you. This is so cool for me. And as you can see, vast majority of that came from Reels. This is the main source, and they are in our right demographic. That's the exact demographic that we're targeting. So all of this works well. So here you can see the zoom in focus on our Facebook page for July. We generated 12.4 million views on content. And just to say, there's no ads, there's no UGC, no influencers, no creators, nothing paid. All of it is just our own organic content being posted to the Facebook page. That's it. So 12 million views. And here, this is the secret sauce, the magic formula that I think nobody in the app world realizes right now, is that 97% of those views came from non-followers. That's like TikTok. This doesn't happen anywhere else. This doesn't happen on Instagram. This doesn't happen. Only on TikTok will you get views, so many views from non-followers. And I didn't know that it works the same on Facebook. So I predict that Facebook is a very underrated platform. Every app marketer in the world is focusing on Instagram, on TikTok, and doing UGC for Instagram and TikTok. Nobody's doing anything about Facebook. This is the massive opportunity. And I think the biggest arbitrage that I found in 2026. So I'm sharing it with you. And as you can see, all of that is reels and non-followers by massive count. So this has been the July results so far for our app. So let me show you what we actually posted. And this is kind of mind-boggling. We really stumbled upon this format, but one thing before I show you the actual things, let's study. You can see the differentiation is here. I'm organizing it by views for July. Top video, 1.2 million. Next one, 1.2 million, 1.2 million, 1.1 million, 800,000. You know what's the funny part? These are the same video, the same identical video. And these ones, it's the same video, the same video, the same video. These are all the same video. There's a tiny nuance, a small difference in a different hook, but it's the exact same concept that's so easy to replicate. Honestly, now this video takes me about 15 seconds to write the prompt. And actually, the secret sauce here, another one, is the Claude Code does all of the editing of the videos. At some point, I'll make a separate video just for that. If you want, let me know in the comments. I can actually walk you through how I use Claude Code. So I don't edit any of our videos. We don't have human editors anymore. We used to have editors in the Philippines to do all of this stuff. Now everything is done by Claude Code, and it's faster, it's better, it's incredible. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video about that. But right now, let me actually go into it and I can show you the concept. So you can see the videos the way they work. So you launch them and then they just spike hard for about a day and then they go stagnant. And this is very normal. This is how it is. But what we figured out is there's a format that works really well for us, which was documentaries to watch if you're waking up. And part 3 was the one that got the most views actually in this case. And if you want the general strategy on how to build content is you want to go and watch all the content that your ICP would watch, and then you want to remake the similar concept. So we saw this concept that worked. There was somebody else who made it, had a couple 100,000 followers, actually a couple 100,000 views on the video, on the similar, not the same video, but that kind of general idea, the general concept. And we thought, you know what, let's try this. We remade the concept with our own visuals, our own everything, so we didn't copy anything identically, and we ended up getting 12 million views off of this. And so it's very simple. It talks about documentaries to watch. So quick 3-second hook. That's what I really recommend, is that you have a hook for 3 seconds. In this case, we had Maria, my co-founder. She's the face of the app. So the app is a hormonal health app for women. She's the face. She's always the hook. We have a little text. And then we go and we show them the documentaries to watch. In this list, Claude did all of the work. So Claude Code would go. You can see here's the app. Claude Code will go, it will source the images, it will put them together, it will edit it, it has the raw footage, it puts everything together, and then it's done editing. So when I started the video, I said, first we got 1.2 million views, 10 clicks and no installs. And then we got hundreds of installs. The difference is that the first video that went viral had the same beginning. So it would have the 3-second hook, and then it would have the documentaries to watch. But it did not have the call to action at the end. It was missing. Let me just skip forward to it. It did not have this part. Documentaries to watch, it ended, that was it. So we got thousands of followers, millions of views, but no actual activity. And we don't care about going viral just for the viral sake. This is a business, we're promoting apps here. And so I only care about results that drive actual app installs, drive trials, drive revenue. And so when we added this final hook, the video did just as well. So this is basically an ad promoting the app. The video did just as well. However, it brought a lot of installs. And this is the learning part, is that it's okay to show the app in use because people are actually going to watch it. Ideally, you would want to integrate the app in use where you show the user. So you don't tell about the app, you show it. This is where we tell about the app. This is not ideal by any means of the imagination. And honestly, I was a bit upset that this format was going viral because it's so hard to integrate the app natively into the video. I had to do it clumsily like this, where I put the ad where I tell them about the app. The most native, natural way is that you can actually show the app. And so afterwards, we started doing that. Those videos, we have not cracked the format of millions of views yet. We are getting tens of thousands, in some ways hundreds of thousands. We did get one video that got 1 million views, where we show the app in use. We don't talk about the app, but we show the app in natural views. But that was what makes the biggest difference on, do you only go viral or do you actually get real links, taps, downloads of the app, installs, and trials and revenue. So that was the first one, but I can show you the second one is the same thing. 3-second hook, Maria for the first 3 seconds, and then we go into documentaries. It's different documentaries, but it's the same exact format. It's the same video. It takes a minute to all put together. Again, you can see. Here's another one, same thing. Documentaries to watch if you're waking up. Literally the same thing over and over again. And so the insight on Facebook is that the audience, you don't really get penalty for showing the same exact concept. The audience doesn't get tired. We keep growing. It keeps working. And so when you find a concept that works, you just double down. You keep going. You keep going. This is the way you want to grow. And another thing to show you, look, this video got 1,400 comments, which is crazy. And this one got really good comments as well, 641 comments. So you really want to drive the conversation, and then in the comments, you can tell them to, they might ask, what is the app? And you can tell them what the app is and all of that, and we put the link. One thing that I actually didn't know that I learned that is very valuable for you. You know, a lot of times on Instagram, you'll see these videos, and in the description of the video, they say comment app, and I'll send you the link. So that works on Instagram. What I learned, what I didn't know, actually we got shadow banned because on Facebook, it doesn't work that way. Facebook considers it what they call comment baiting. So you can't do it. Even though Facebook and Instagram is owned by the same freaking platform, they have different rules. And so we did this thing where we would say comment app, we'll send you the link. It worked, and then we got shadow banned, and our views crashed and everything crumbled, and we had to slowly put it back up and fix everything. So for you to remember, you cannot do comment app in Facebook, and there we just say, send me a DM and I'll send you the link, or check out the link in bio. All right, so here I can show with you what the actual stats look like. So the algorithm found our ICP was 80% of the shares, 35 to 45 was the biggest single band, which is great for us, US, UK, Australia. Perfect, exactly the audience we wanted to hit, so that works. Also, 5 posts gave us 64% of all of the attention of that month. And so it is okay if you make a lot of content, just like we did. The long tail did pretty much nothing, smallest 200 views, flop, median 21,000, which is also not the best measure. But you're gonna do a lot of content, and you're gonna find that sometimes, every once in a while, you'll find a format that works. You can replicate that format and keep going. This is at the beginning. In later stages, of course, everything will lift up and you'll have more, but there'll still be a couple of those winners that are gonna kill everything else. In this case, I would say we got both lucky and we had a good growth strategy, because we would post every day, experiment different formats, try different things. We found a format and we doubled down and we kept hammering, and it kept bringing views. We got lucky because we actually found the format early on. Honestly, this was one of our first videos that we started publishing. This was like 2 weeks after we opened the apps, after we opened the Facebook and Instagram accounts and we started posting. This went viral. So we got a bit lucky, but you know, it's just volume game. So if you actually show up and do it every day, you will get the results on promoting your app. So most of that came from 5 posts. And you can see top 1 post brought 1.2 million views, top 5, 5 million views, top 10, 7. So this is a huge gap between the top winners and then everything else that comes afterwards. The point of this video is to share with you that Facebook actually might be the best app growth channel. Our Instagram is still growing and we get great views as well. Our first video already hit 1 million views on Instagram, so we're super pumped about that, and that was great. So we know that we have a format that delivers on Instagram, and that's kind of predictable, and we'll continue scaling that. But this Facebook thing really shocked me, and I think not enough founders are actually putting in effort to go into Facebook and then make that work. And so a good way, you can just do what we did. You know, you don't have to have a specific Facebook strategy. Maybe you're smarter than me and you will have a Facebook strategy. But you can start by just make sure that you repost everything and increase the volume, because everybody talks about how Instagram, you shouldn't do more than 2 posts a day. That's kind of the limit. Yes, but you can also do 2 to 4 trial reels, and you can post everything to Facebook. And so that would be 4 to 6 posts to Facebook. Actually, at the peak, we were doing about 8 posts to Facebook. Most of them were reels. Turns out that you don't get penalized for it, and you can repost the same content. So this is the point I wanted to make in the video. I hope you liked this. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you comment, ask me any questions. I answer every single comment myself. And if you want me to actually help you and work with you on one-on-one basis, do let me know. Make sure to check the link below. I work together with my co-founder, Maria. She is the genius on social media strategy. She is the one that's helped build the strategy. I'm the one that's built the tools and systems to be able to execute it. And then we have the Absorbed app together. We work with 4 founders at a time as advisors, so we can come in, then we can help you get your app to the next level. Whether you are just starting out early and you're figuring out where you are, or maybe you've been doing ASO and it stopped working because 2026 ASO is dead. Maybe you tried ads, but they're not performing well for your company. Maybe you've tried UGC, but you can't really find the right way. We are able to come in and help you, advise you on the right strategy and how to move forward and kind of become growth partners with you. So if you're interested, make sure that you check the link in below. You can apply there. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer all of them. All right, guys, it was really good chatting with you. Hope you enjoyed today, and I gotta go. Ciao.